Welcome back to Pharma class. In our previous lecture, we have seen about the first 6 organ systems that are present in human body. In our today's class, we will look at the remaining 5 organ systems that are present in human body. I am Dr. Gayathri, Assistant Professor at Smriti College of Pharmaceutical Education, Indore. So let us start our class. So as a brief recap, we have seen about what are organ systems, about the levels of structural organization in human body, which starts from cells forming tissues, tissues forming organs, organs forming organ systems, and organ systems forming a human body. So organ systems, we have seen that they are interdependent on each other. So organ system basically consists of tissues and different organs that are working towards a common function. So we have also seen that sometimes one particular organ can be a part of more than one organ system. The example of which is pancreas. Pancreas is a part of both digestive system as well as endocrine system. So we have also seen the example of digestive system as an example for organ system where different organs come together in performing one common function. So in digestive system we have seen that there are different parts that about which we are going to see in today's class, along with the remaining other 4 organ systems present in human body. So the 7th organ system is digestive system. So digestive system, what does it basically do? What is the function of digestive system? To digest the food materials. So digestive system consists of organs of GIT, that is gastrointestinal tract. The short form of gastrointestinal tract is GIT. So what does GIT include? It includes different organs starting from mouth, pharynx, that is our throat, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. And then along with organs of GIT, there are other accessory organs that are present in digestive system, such as salivary glands, pancreas, liver, gallbladder, etc. So these are the components of digestive system. So digestive system में gastrointestinal tract के organs होते हैं and along with that कुछ accessory organs होते हैं जो digestion में help करते हैं, जैसे salivary glands, pancreas, liver and gallbladder. So functions of digestive system. Digestive systems के function क्या है? Basically to digest. So digestion process में क्या क्या आते हैं? Physical and chemical breakdown of food. जो हम solid large size का जो food material हम लेते हैं उसको physically breakdown करना और उसके साथ साथ chemically breakdown करना. जैसे for example हमारे मील में अगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है, वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स जो लार्ज मॉलिक्यूल होता है उसको केमिकली ब्रेक डाउन करके ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल्स फॉर्म करते हैं. सो दैट इज केमिकल ब्रेकडाउन. सो फिजिकल एंड केमिकल ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड. एंड देन वंस ब्रेकडाउन हैपेंस, व्हाट हैपेंस, जो बॉडी के लिए जो अच्छा होता है उसको अब्सॉर्ब करना एंड वेस्ट को रिमूव करना. सो वंस ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ फूड हैपेंस, body the function of digestive system is to absorb the nutrients and also to remove the waste products. So absorb what is basically good for the body and remove what is bad for the body or unnecessary for the body. So absorption of nutrients and elimination of solid waste, that is in the form of feces. So this is about digestive system. Digestive system basically consists of gastrointestinal tract and accessory organs. Its function is breakdown of food, absorption of nutrients and elimination of solid waste. And the next organ system is urinary system. So urinary system includes organs such as kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. So these are the components of urinary system. So what does urinary system do? First thing is, because from the name itself we know that it is related to urine. So what does it do? It forms urine, stores and eliminates urine. So it is involved in all three steps of urine: production, storage and elimination of urine. And along with that, it eliminates waste, and that is the second function of urinary system. It regulates volume and chemical composition of the blood. So because blood also consists of the fluids, the volume, if urinary elimination, if it is reduced, for example, so जब urinary output reduce हो जाता है, तब क्या होता है? Blood का volume बढ़ जाता है. So in that way, in detail we will see what urinary system will do in the coming classes. But basically, urinary system regulates volume and chemical composition of the blood, because it eliminates urine, that is the excess water through urine, and along with that it also eliminates the waste. And then it helps in maintenance of acid-base balance of body fluids and maintenance of body's mineral balance, acid-base balance and mineral balance. Along with that, it helps in regulation of RBC production. RBCs are nothing but red blood cells. What are red blood cells otherwise called? Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. So how is urinary system related to production of RBCs? Because the erythrocytes are produced from erythropoietin, and erythropoietin is produced in renal cortex of kidneys. So that's how the kidneys, that is urinary system, which includes kidneys, is involved in regulation of RBC production. So we have seen digestive system and urinary system. They both are involved in elimination of waste. The digestive system eliminates solid waste and urinary system eliminates urine. So the next organ system is lymphatic and immune system. This includes lymphatic fluid. Lymphatic fluid is also called as lymph. Lymphatic fluid, lymphatic vessels, spleen, thymus, lymph nodes and tonsils. So these 6 organs come under lymphatic system. So what is the function of lymphatic system? Lymphatic system returns protein and fluid to the blood. Returning of proteins and fluids to the blood, and it carries lipids from gastrointestinal tract to the blood. So lymphatic system is involved in carrying of lipids from gastrointestinal tract to the blood, and it also includes the structures where lymphocytes mature and proliferate. Lymphocytes are useful in body's defense mechanism against microbes. So lymphatic system includes certain structures where these lymphocytes can mature and proliferate. So this is about lymphatic system. The next organ system is respiratory system. So we know that respiratory system is mainly involved in respiration process. So what all organs it can include? It includes lungs. It includes all the air passageways, जहाँ से हमारे बॉडी के अंदर और in and out जो air passage होता है, all those tubes which are involved in this come under respiratory system. What are those tubes? Pharynx, that is throat, larynx, that is our voice box, trachea, which is nothing but windpipe, and bronchial tubes. So these bronchial tubes that lead inside and outside the lungs also come under respiratory system. Lungs, air passageways which includes pharynx, larynx, trachea and bronchial tubes. So function क्या हो सकता है respiratory system का? हम सबको पता है कि respiratory system जो inhalation के थ्रू जो हम ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं, it takes it to the blood, and जो blood में जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होते हैं जो एक वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है उसको एक्सहेलेशन के थ्रू बाहर सेंड करता है. So first function is transfer of oxygen through inhaled air into the blood, and then along with that carbon dioxide which is present in the blood to exhaled air. So that is the first function, and second function is it helps in regulation of acid base balance of body fluids, and then the last function is when we speak we produce sound, right? वो sound कैसे produce होता है? Only when we are exhaling, जब हम breathe out करते हैं उस समय हमारे जो voice box होता है, जो vocal cords होते हैं उसमें से sound आता है. So respiratory system is also involved in production of sound. How? Through the air that is flowing out through vocal cords. So this is about respiratory system. And the last organ system in human body is reproductive system. So reproductive system is different in males and females, and but the organs which are involved are different. The components are different. So reproductive system basically involves gonads and associated organs. So gonads में in males it is testes, and in females it is ovaries. And associated organs are also different in both males and females. Like for example, in females uterus is present, and in males epididymis is present. So what is the function of reproductive system? So these gonads which are present in reproductive system has mainly two functions. These gonads produce sperms and oocytes. These sperms and oocytes are also called as gametes. So these are involved in formation of new organism. That is, when a sperm and oocyte, when the fertilization happens, a new organism is formed. And then next is gonads also are involved in secretion of certain hormones which regulate the reproduction process and also other body processes. So gonads basically they are involved in production of gametes and also production of certain hormones which regulate reproduction and other body processes. So these hormones such as testosterone, estrogen, etc. And the associated organs which are present in reproductive system, they are involved in storage and transport of these gametes, that is sperms and oocytes. So this is about the different organ systems present in human body, which are a total of 11 organ systems. So we can see that every organ system includes many organs, and each of them have a specific function which helps in the human body to function normally. Hope you all understood. Thank you.